So welcome everybody to the breast massage video. Right now, all I'm doing is warming up my hands. You never want to touch your client, if your hands are frosty or a little bit chilly. Make sure they're nice and warm. Place them on your client's shoulders, just a contact hold to let them know that, hey, I am here. And we are sitting here laughing in the video, but this is serious business. Sometimes I talk to my clients and you see us laughing, it's just about something funny that we're actually talking about, but to some people it's not. So that's why I'm narrating over the video so you can hear my lovely voice. And I know you guys get tired of hearing my voice, but hey, you really don't want to hear what we're talking about sometimes because it is racial, political, sports, sex, music, love, life, sex again, and probably more sex talk. But that's how we go. See, look, laughing. Yep, relationship issues. So I'm narrating over this video to show you guys we're just rubbing the shoulders, massaging the shoulders. And I'm using no lotion. This is just for athletes who come in with fully clothed or a regular client who's fully clothed. And we're just doing chest compressions. Allowing your palms to rest on the top of the breast muscle, which is your pectoralis major, pec minor underneath that. And those bigger muscles, get tight, let me tell you. So again, we're just pushing forward. We're decompressing. Compression to be forward, but we're pushing down, and that's a decompression. We're taking deep breaths in. Exhale. Praise God. And you hold. It's a contact hold. Breathe in again. Breathe in love. Exhale anger. And you do that over and over about 3 times, 3 deep breaths, and you're good to go. So now I'm just like a little cat, little kitten, that's putting their little paws on you. Yep. Paws in a good way. You don't want somebody putting paws on you in a bad way. That's a real problem. But yeah, just like a little kitty cat, you walk in, they try to sneak up on you, pounce on you, take your breath while you're sleeping. So that's a myth. But cats are great. Cats are protectors. So you just want to walk up the client's chest back and forth. So now I've moved my position. I'm at the side or lateral side of the client's body. And all I'm doing is pretty much another contact hold. I'm actually moving the arm out of the way and allowing my palm to go underneath the breast tissue, our pectoralis major. I'm going to use my thumb pressure for the pec minor. So just like the cat, remember those presses? Press and hold, press and hold. And why is that little white thing on the back of my head like that? I did not notice that until now. What the what the shit? But anyways, we're moving on. We overcome, we adapt. As long as it's not a spider or something. Shit. Now we're just doing circular motions, watching where our hands can be, making sure it's not on the areola, our nipples. Men have nipples too, don't get it twisted. So when females are doing it, you be careful too. But we love that stuff, but I'm just saying, be careful. Shit can happen. So now we're using those thumbs. Yes, get that pec minor underneath in the serratus anterior, lat a little bit. Oh, yeah, dig right in there. And we're laughing, having a good time again. We're probably talking about getting it in. Not us, but other people. And yes, push in there, push. It could be ticklish in this area. It's the tickle zone, like tickle, tickle, tickle. The little tickle zone. Be careful. That's right. Nice and gentle. She'll let you know, or he'll let you know, or them, they, or it will let you know if it's too much. Oh, yeah. So I'm using my body weight. I'm just rocking in and outs. Try not to use your muscles if you don't have to. You can just use your body weight, use gravity. Oh, yeah. And so, see, she has pretty much beyond a C cup, like double D's or higher. Yeah, she's there. And the sports bra is actually compressing them down, but they're actually rather large. And so, if you have somebody who's well endowed in the breast area, chest area, yeah, you got to be careful what you're doing. It's good that she wears something tight because, as you can see on the other side, she's popping out, or on the sides of the sports bra, she's popping out a little bit. So you have to be mindful not to be grabby and touchy-feely. You know, be careful. I'm just doing circles. Yep, palms. I pretty much use my palms the whole time. You don't really see my fingers grabbing anything, milking anything. We ain't trying to milk nothing. Maybe later on that night, but not your clients. Be careful. Don't fuck around. Get the side of the rib cage. Rib cage is attached. Those intercostal muscles, external, internal, they can hold your breast down as well, especially the thick lining like your aponeurosis or the white lining, as you can see in like certain poultry or beef before you fry your steak or fry chicken or whatever. Yeah, that lining, that fascia even can be super tight, and it can restrict your breathing. It can restrict the breast muscles, especially if you're well endowed. Oh yeah, we have a lot of just connective tissue, scar tissue, muscle fibers that cling on to other muscles in the body. So I'm relaxing the arms, the ribs, pecs, shoulder, a little bit of deltoid. It is all connected. So see how I'm just doing circles. Let me stop saying it like that. It's like ominous, like a, I don't know. But see how I moved my position? It's the same thing. Nothing you haven't seen on the other side. So I know you're saying, hey, I can't see. What are you doing? Move the camera. Like, motherfucker, I am not a Marvel Studios, hey. I'm not rich. I don't have anybody in the room with us moving the camera with me. It's literally a stationary camera. So the position that I'm at right now, you can't really see my thumbs, but you've seen it before. It was the first position. Get it? All right. So please stop leaving me stupid ass comments about camera positions. I'm a one-man band. That's a definition of a warrior. That's why Marines are always going to be better than everybody else. Yes, I fucking said it and I say it again until I fucking die. Because we're warriors. We can operate by ourselves. We don't need a whole fucking army, Navy, Air Force. No, we don't. No. So I can operate on my own. I'm an operator, so fuck it. Been trained to beast once. So, hey, take it how it is. And, hey, if the shoe fits, walk that bullshit off and you'll be all right. Oh, yeah, circles again if you didn't get it. Circles. Not being smart with you. Just saying, hey, before those nasty comments come out and say, hey, what are you doing? It looks like a circle. Well, guess what? You're right. It is. All I'm doing is circles. You don't got to go to massage school to see and learn what I'm doing right now in this video. You can actually just witness it, apply it. Hey, it's as easy as that. Now, see, we're talking about something that, yeah, it's a little sensitive, so that's why I'm talking over this one. But I will have a video that shows everything we're talking about. So if it offends most people, hey, turn the channel. If your own shadow frightens you, God help you. I have no idea what your problem is. So now I'm just using my thumbs, rib cage area again, underneath the breast area. So where the little dip or fold, yep, right in there. And that's kind of the sternum area, the lower sternum area where your solar plexus are. It's a little sensitive in that area. If you've ever gotten elbowed, punched, kneed, body slammed in this area, it could take the fucking wind out of you. And I've had that plenty of times overseas and in combat and doing dumb shit. Yeah, falling on a fucking sappy plate. And if you don't know what a sappy plate is, just small arms protecting Anyways, you fall on that metal piece, it'll knock the fucking wind out of you. But that's why I'm just rocking. Most cancers are normally found in the center of our chest, or they metastasize. They start to spread from the middle out. That's why I'm rubbing, moving the lymphatic system around. Some of you guys are gonna ask, "Hey, what's the point of breast massage?" I'm like, good grief, there's a Google. Like, you can actually Google the benefits. But hell, just to simplify things, the benefits in my point of view, in my training and experience, are just these three things: health reasons. You're doing it to relax your whole body, or especially the breast area. And number three, for pleasure, basically. And not to say it in a bad way, but hell, it's pleasurable. Look at her going to sleep. Look, you see the position right? Look, dreamland, pleasure. That's past the relaxation phase. Relaxation is like, I needed this relief. It was super tight in here. Like, okay, got you. But